Hey there, Storm Door Guy here, and if you're watching this video, you are looking for a storm door that could be the envy of your neighbors. You're not looking for something that's a production door that you'd find at the big box stores. You really want to tailor the front entrance and the storm door to fit in with your house, with the design of the front entryway. So let me introduce you to a company that not a lot of people know about. They're not available in retail stores. You have to be a direct distributor or dealer of them, but they're called Provia Doors. Now, they're based in Ohio, in Amish country, so right there, that should tell you about the quality of the door, but they're really a custom designer. They've got about 30 or more different styles that you can pick from, basically unlimited colors because they can paint the door to match the specific color on your house if you request it. They have decorative art glass, beautiful designs, anything you really want, you can get with the Provia line. So click the link below, either in the description or the comment, depending on where I posted this video. It's all over social media. If you don't see the link, feel free to email us. We can text you or email you the link. But when you click on the link, it's going to go to Provia's Design Center. It'll be this page right here. I want you to scroll all the way down past the two houses here, and let's go to the Configure Storm Doors button here. Click that button, and this is going to bring up first, they want you to create an account. You don't have to do that, so don't feel pressured. Just click Continue without account, and it's going to bring you to their door designer right here. This is where you can pick out all the different colors and styles. You can really customize this thing to fit what exactly you're looking for. Their products are about, the aluminum they use is up to about 20% thicker than production doors that you'd find at big box stores. Another thing I like is they have a triple seal at the bottom of the door as opposed to a single or double seal to keep all the bugs and the wind and the air and all that out. But I'm going to go with the Spectrum series here just to kind of give you an idea of what you can do to build this. At the top, you can pick the style, the color, whatever glass and screen or your hardware options. So I'm just going to pick, let's do a full view door. I like to look at the glass. If you click the chevron here, you can see the inside, the outside, or a side-by-side comparison as you build it. Single hung means this is just a top window roll screen. You can get a double roll screen as well if you want the top and bottom windows to move. But then click this green next button. That brings you to the colors. You can do a custom color. This Vallis red, I love it. It's Storm Door Guy red. We're going to go with that. And then over here, you can pick the kind of glass you want. You can get clear glass, or you can get a tint, or an acrylic, or a laminate glass if you want more of a security glass. You can do art glass here and put a design in it if you want something really cool. And customize it to your heart's content. We're going to click the next button again, and you can pick out a bunch of different handle sets, see what those look like if you like different colors. Click next again, and that'll bring you to the different hinge types. No other manufacturer offers this. It's just a standard basic hinge on the production style, but here you can do a full-length piano hinge. You can get a metallic expander at the bottom, which is not available on other storm doors. You can flip the handing. You can even select this and get an insulated frame if you're really concerned about insulation. Click the green next button again, and this will bring you to the end, a spec sheet. Now, I recommend you print this out just so you have it for reference, but in order for us to give you a quote on this exact door, we need this dealer access code here. That's all we need. This little dealer access code. It's also down here in super tiny print for those of you that can read microscopic print. But if you take this code and email it to us, we can pull up everything about this particular door. In theory, that's why I say always print this out, because if for some reason we can't, then we have the printed spec sheet. So if you're in the Metro Denver area, we'd love to build this and design it and install it for you. If you're outside of the Metro Denver area, we can't help you at this time, but we can point you in the right direction of somebody in your area who can. Again, we just need this dealer access code, and as a backup, print up the spec sheet, because you never know with technology nowadays, right? So if you have any questions, leave a comment below, or feel free to email us. Thank you so much for sharing this with us.